Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Welcome to week 2 of level 2, country swing and two-step. Yay. This is our second week of two-step. This is Julie, my mom.
Hello.
We tonight worked on a reverse tuck turn out of promenade, as well as some inside turns with both the left and the right hand in promenade inside turns. So we're going to partner up, basic two-step position. I'm going to get into promenade, just a quick review. It's an outside turn with a change of hand. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. So what's going to happen here in the reverse tuck, it's basically the reverse of the basic tuck turn. I'm going to tuck her in, right? She's going to point her toe, and then I'm going to wind her up. And notice that this needs to be pretty close, so she can't overextend or straighten out that arm, because I'm going to do a little push turn. I'm going to push and she's going to push against me, which is going to result in a really awesome free spin, and she's going to spin right back in front of me. And we're going to catch in basic. Well, I'll do it a little faster. Quick, quick, slow, slow, promenade. Come around quick. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and tuck in, wind up, push, turn, catch, and quick, quick, slow, slow. Great job, Julie. All right, so we are gonna keep going, and video still on?
Yeah.
Okay, great. We are now gonna do some turns in promenade. So we're gonna start here in promenade. I'm gonna start by doing a inside turn with my outside right hand, okay? Also her right hand. And I'm basically just gonna, the inside turn is I'm gonna come up and over her head. It's gonna be an inside turn. I'm gonna eventually let go with this hand and bring her back where we started. Now we're just gonna do it while traveling, okay? We'll go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow. Always traveling forward. We're gonna do a very similar turn. Now we're just gonna do it with our left hand. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Still an inside turn, because it's gonna be to the midline of her body, like this. And we're gonna reattach in promenade. We're gonna travel with it. We'll go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow, and still traveling. And that is your week 2, level 2 tutorial.
Yeah, oh, no, never mind. We don't do
All right,
that.
we're